Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a Smith Corona Platen knob here that got broken in shipping, I think. So a lot of times these plastic knobs pieces can be put back together. This one is only two pieces. A lot of times there's three or four. Even those can sometimes be resurrected if you have all the pieces. So this is my basic method, and even if there was more pieces it would work. And I'd just start with super glue. But first thing to do is make sure all these pieces line up, and I already did that here. I got it pretty good. I had to just do a little shaving here in the middle. It was like high centering, but I got that pretty good where that gap is. It's fitting perfect. So all we need is just a little bit of super glue, and get a little bit on here. This is just to set the pieces in place, and it should do almost an instant bond, especially when they fit just right. They will instant bond. Yeah, let's see here. So let's get this thing lined up. Looks like it. And just squeeze and hold it for, not very long. It's instant bond pretty much, but it still could use to be, set a little more. So, but we're done with that for the moment. Put the super glue aside. Next step, though, that is not strong enough, is I'm just putting this clamp on here to purpose to hold it together and to hold it still. I just want to hold it still. I don't want to squeeze it too much. That's good. Or it's just got to hold it steady so I can do my next step, which is take this ring, and you can use any kind of key ring that fits inside of there just right. I kind of like this flat one, and so it fits in there like that, and that's what we're going to melt in there. We're going to heat it up, melt it in there. Let me get my torch out here. Could have had ready, but I didn't. So I got a big old torch here, find a lighter. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is heat this piece up with a simple torch, propane torch, and I want to sink it right in there. So I'm prepared to hold this with something. I'm going to heat it up, I'm going to drop it right in there, and then I'm going to push it in with this, and then I'm going to cool it off with this soap. This I got handy here. So those are the tools that I need. Let me crank up the torch here first. And we'll just do that. Get my wheelie ready, get my other tool ready. This doesn't have to get too blazing hot. It's a pretty strong flame. Just kind of get it even. Alright, that's probably enough. Drop it right in there. Push it in. There it goes. And then I want to cool it off. doesn't. That is actually smells really good. It smells like vintage typewriters. That's weird. So it should be done. Let's see. It just barely started coming through, so that was about the perfect depth for that. Still hot and pretty good. It could have been kind of still hot. What the hell is going on here? Okay, yeah, it could have been deeper on this side, but I think this is gonna be. Damn, that thing is still hot. What the man? It's still hot. Now, if you really want to go crazy, you could fill this up with some epoxy. And I don't think I'm going to do that. I'm pretty confident with these this process here, that it's pretty strong and never going to break, probably. All right, so that's Phoenix Typewriter's method of repairing plastic knobs. Phoenix Typewriter, good day.